Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to get kills in Land of Jail. Getting kills in Lands of Jail is a straightforward mechanic once you understand where to focus your efforts. The primary way to increase your kill count is by defeating enemy players during gameplay. You can achieve this by joining special combat activities such as killing events, server wars, or large scale battles like the Flame of Conflict. These events allow you to attack rival players, and successfully defeating them will increase your kill statistics. You can also gain progress by launching attacks on enemy prisons, participating in raids, or defeating opposing troops during wars. Occasionally, tracking and defeating fugitives or high risk criminals may contribute as well, but player combat remains the most reliable method. To locate target, zoom out on the map and identify buildings. Blue buildings usually represent your alliance, while gray ones indicate potential enemies. For faster results, prioritize attacking players with lower levels and those without active shields to improve your chances of victory and consistent stat growth. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.